Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the Chromecast plugged into HDMI and powered. Now open the Google Home app on your phone. Follow the prompt to add a new device, because the app discovers Chromecast via local Wi-Fi. You must grant Bluetooth and location if asked so Discovery works. Once the device appears, tap to set up, choose the Wi-Fi network for the Chromecast, and enter the password. This makes the dongle join your home network and lets your phone control casting immediately. Once the Chromecast is on your network, you configure a few options. Name the device so it's easy to find, assign a room, and optionally enable guest mode if others will cast without joining Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone stays on the same SSID. This is critical for discovery and streaming quality. Next, open a cast-capable app such as YouTube, tap the cast icon, select your Chromecast name, and the video should load on the TV, while playback is controlled from your phone. To finish, use Google Home to update firmware and fine-tune settings. This prevents drops and improves compatibility. If casting fails, first restart the Chromecast by unplugging power for 10 seconds and reboot your phone and router. Simple restarts often fix networking hiccups. If problems persist, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band or try switching between 2.4 and 5 GHz bands, because some routers isolate bands or devices by default and block discovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.